the iconic Marina Bay Sands. Nighttime or daytime, this architecture screams grandiose in any angle. But is the hotel room worth it? Let's go and find out. Welcome to the newly renovated Sands Family Suite, boasting a spacious 2-bedroom suite with all the little details taken care of, such as this cute activity area for your kids. Parents have less things to think about. Now let me take you to the living room. The motorized blinds was a perfect touch to prepare us for the view that's waiting outside. A huge balcony with a panoramic view of gardens by the bay. Just wow. Integrated with smart in-room technology, the master bedroom invites you to a space of relaxation. The expansive bathroom with marble countertop exudes luxury and elegance. Equipped with a two-person bathtub, Salvatore Ferragamo, and kiddie amenities. And oh, did I mention the smart toilet? Nice! Coffee or tea, anyone? Whichever you desire, the hotel prepared selections fit for your preference. Local or international snacks, this bespoke armoire is your family's perfect companion for your entire stay. With a fully functional kitchenette and cocktail trolley, what else can you look for? Marina Bay Sands simply equates to luxury and craftsmanship beyond expectations. With thoughtfully curated experience and top-notch service, a stay in Marina Bay Sands is an experience like no other. Still not convinced? Wait till you see the world's famous rooftop infinity pool.
Yeah, you told me the other day you'd be coming back today, but you didn't. Oh.
See you on the next video.